How to mute your microphone on TikTok live mobile gaming. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your microphone while you are live streaming on TikTok and you're streaming mobile games. So the first thing is once you go live, you will have no option from the TikTok side to mute your microphone. But what you can do is if you scroll down on your phone settings, you will see this microphone access option on your control panel, and you can turn it off. And what this does is allow app to use microphone if they have appropriate permissions. So if you have given permissions to the apps, it will allow the microphone app access. But if you completely turn it off, it will completely cut off the microphone access to any of the apps that have permissions until you turn it back on. So one thing is this: if you do this and go ahead and just turn it off right here, you can do that. And if you are using any third-party apps to do your live stream like Streamlabs or anything, then you will have a built-in option on Streamlabs or any other third-party apps to mute your microphone on command. So you'll get an option for stream controls and you can mute your microphone from there. And that's how you can turn off your microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming. If you found the video helpful, hit down below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.